Let me ask you something. How often do you start your day with the best intentions, only to find yourself scrolling endlessly on your phone, bouncing between tasks, and ending the day exhausted, without actually achieving what you set out to do? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In fact, in today's world, distraction has become the new normal. But here's the truth. Focus is not a gift you're born with. It's a skill, a muscle. And just like any muscle, it can be trained, strengthened, and mastered. Imagine this. Just 7 days from now, you wake up clear-headed. You know exactly what to do, and you move through your day with purpose. No wasted energy. No endless procrastination. Just deep clarity, powerful results, and an inner calm you didn't know was possible. That's exactly what this 7-day journey is all about. For the next week, I'll walk with you, day by day, step by step, giving you simple but powerful strategies to unlock laser-like focus. This isn't about grinding harder. This isn't about forcing yourself. This is about training your brain to work for you, not against you. So, are you ready to unlock your true potential? Let's begin. Day 1 is about cleaning house. Because let's face it, you can't focus when your mind is buried under mental clutter. Think of your brain like a desk. If that desk is covered with papers, snacks, old coffee cups, random notes, you'll struggle to find what you need. But when the desk is clean and organized, suddenly you can think clearly. Your mental desk works the same way. So here's your task for today, a brain dump. Grab a notebook or open a document and write down every single thought that's been swirling in your head. Every to-do, every worry, every reminder, every goal. Don't judge it. Don't organize it. Just empty it out. Once it's on paper, your brain no longer has to carry it. You've just freed up space for clarity. Now, here's where it gets powerful. From that big messy list, choose 3 things only that truly matter today. Just 3. Everything else can wait. Why 3? Because when you chase everything, you catch nothing. But when you choose 3, you create laser focus. Reflection question for day 1. What is one thing I've been carrying in my mind for too long that I can finally put down on paper today? Do this, and you will feel an immediate mental shift. Tomorrow, we'll take it even further. Yesterday, we cleared the clutter. Today, we train your brain. Your brain is like a wild horse. It wants to run everywhere at once. But with training, you can guide it, strengthen it, and make it obey. So here's today's method, the micro-focus technique. For the next 24 hours, you're going to practice 25 minutes of pure focus, followed by 5 minutes of rest. That's it. One simple cycle. Here's the deal. During those 25 minutes, you shut out everything. No notifications, no multitasking, no wondering. One task. Full attention. You might be thinking, 25 minutes? That's nothing. But here's the magic. Your brain builds endurance. What feels difficult on day 2 will feel natural by day 7. This is the same method top students, CEOs, and athletes use. Why? Because small, focused sprints beat long, distracted marathons. So today, I challenge you. Pick one meaningful task, set a 25-minute timer, and go all in. Reflection question for day 2. What did I feel during my first 25 minutes of undistracted focus? Frustration? Flow? Restlessness? Awareness is the first step to mastery. By day 3, you've tasted what focus feels like. But here's the problem. You can't stay focused if your environment is pulling you in the wrong direction. Think about it. If you're trying to eat healthy, but your kitchen is full of junk food, guess what you'll eat? The same is true for your focus. So today is about engineering your environment for success. Here's how. Remove the obvious distractions. Phone out of reach. TV off. Desk clean. Surround yourself with cues of focus. Your notebook, your plan, a simple workspace. Add triggers of energy. Light a candle. Play instrumental music. Or sitting in natural light. Why? Because your environment shapes your behavior more than your willpower does. Here's a story. In one office, researchers put candy in a clear jar on a desk. People ate twice as much compared to when the candy was in an opaque jar 5 feet away. Same candy, different environment, completely different behavior. Reflection question for day 3. What is one distraction in my environment I can remove right now, and one focus trigger I can add? Do this, and you'll see your focus double. By now, you've cleared the clutter, trained your brain, and set up your environment. But here's the thing, you cannot focus if your body is working against you. Your brain is only 2% of your body weight, but it consumes 20% of your energy, which means your focus is fueled by your body. So today's focus is energy. 3 keys. Food, cut down sugar spikes. Eat protein and slow carbs. Eggs, nuts, whole grains. Your brain needs steady fuel. Movement, don't sit all day. Move every hour. A 5-minute walk can reboot your brain faster than another cup of coffee. Sleep, you cannot outfocus a tired brain. Sleep is not a luxury. It's the foundation of clarity. Think about it. Every Olympic athlete protects their body before they perform. Why shouldn't you do the same for your focus? Reflection question for day 4. What small shift in my food, movement, or sleep will give me 10% more focus tomorrow? Here's where it gets real. Day 5 is about breaking free from the biggest focus killer of our time, digital distraction. Your phone, your apps, your social feeds, they're designed to steal your attention. Every ping, every scroll, every just 5 more minutes costs you hours of your life. So today, we fight back with digital discipline. Here's your mission. Turn off non-essential notifications. You don't need a buzz every time someone likes a photo. Set phone-free hours. Even 1 hour of no phone time can reset your focus. Replace scrolling with something real. Read a book. Journal. Talk to a friend. Remember, your attention is the most valuable currency you own. Stop giving it away for free. Reflection question for day 5. What app or habit drains the most of my focus, and what boundary can I set today to reclaim it? Day 6 is where the magic happens. You've cleared clutter, trained your brain, shaped your environment, fueled your body, and controlled your tech. Now it's time to go deeper. This is the realm of deep work. Deep work means long, undistracted stretches where you enter the flow state. That feeling when time disappears, creativity explodes, and you're fully alive in your work. How do you get there? Block 90 minutes of distraction-free time. One big task only, something that truly matters. No interruptions, no switching, just immersion. Here's the secret. Your best ideas don't come from being busy. They come from being deeply focused. Athletes call it the zone. Musicians call it the groove. Psychologists call it flow. But once you experience it, you'll crave it. Reflection question for day 6. What is one task in my life worth giving my full 90 minutes of focus today? Congratulations, you made it to day 7. But here's the truth. Focus is not a 7-day challenge. It's a lifestyle. Today, your mission is to design habits that lock in your focus long-term. Here are the pillars. Morning clarity. Start your day with intention, not distraction. Daily 3. Choose 3 priorities every day. No more, no less. Weekly reset. Once a week, reflect. What worked? What distracted me? What will I change? Focus rituals. A candle, a playlist, a place. Rituals train your brain to enter focus mode faster. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Each week, you'll get sharper, stronger, more unshakable. Reflection question for day 7. What focus habit will I commit to carrying beyond these 7 days? My friend, in just 7 days, you've proven something powerful. Focus isn't about willpower. It's about design. You've cleared your mental clutter. You've trained your brain. You've reshaped your environment, fueled your body, and mastered your tech. You've tasted the power of deep work, and now you have the tools to make focus a lifestyle. But the journey doesn't end here. This is only the beginning. Because when you master focus, you don't just get more done. You transform who you are. You become someone unstoppable. Someone who keeps promises to themselves. Someone who builds dreams, not excuses. So the choice is yours. Will you let distractions keep stealing your life? Or will you step into your power, one focused day at a time? I believe in you. Now go out there and live focused, live free, and unlock the greatness that's already inside you.